this video, I'm going to teach you how to warm up when you have no time. So let's sing something. La la la. So that's the number one excuse that I hear from everyone. I want to warm up, but I just don't have time. These 3 hacks I'm going to give you are going to not necessarily give you time, but help you make the most of it so that way you warm up every single day. Hack number 1, social media. Okay, I'm just going to get it out. I'm just going to get it out right now. Every single time that you look at your phone to check your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Okay, just so you know, when you're watching my videos, it doesn't count. That's a missed opportunity that you could be warming up. Collect it all together. You can actually look in the settings of your iPhone and it will show you how much time you have spent checking out social media. Know that that is time that you could have been warming up, but you chose not to. So while you're at the red light in your car, that's a great time for you to be warming up. While you're in line at the grocery store, that's a good time for you to be warming up. Now I know you're like,
hang on a second, Audrey. I'm not about to be singing while I'm in line at the grocery store. No one's gonna like that.
That's okay. Down below I have a link to a video that I've already made for you that is 100% quiet warm-ups. Go through that video and use that while you're in line at the grocery store. You can warm up without anybody even knowing. Well, they might kind of know, but not a whole lot. Come on. Hack number 2, downtime. Downtime is amazing time. I already mentioned one of them. While you're at a stoplight in your car, that is a perfect opportunity for you to warm up. No one's around you. You've got a little clock, the red light, telling you how long you should do it. Do these little micro warm-ups while you're waiting at that stoplight. It can also be time in between, let's say if you have clients that come in and you have downtime in between the clients, or while you're waiting to pick up your kids from school, downtime. Any time that you might consider it downtime, let's turn that into warm-up time. I'd just like to take this opportunity to let you know that I have free warm-ups that get delivered to your email every single day for the next 7 days, and that link is down below. Hack number 3, everyday chores. This one is my favorite. I do this all the time. My favorite time is when I'm doing my hair and my makeup. It takes a long time to be looking all good like this. I don't want to do it, so at least I can multitask and do my warm-ups at the same time. Other things that you can do are washing dishes, folding laundry, cleaning your house. And I know a lot of you guys are saying,
but I don't want people to hear me warming up in my house, like my husband or my kids, like my roommate. I don't want them to hear me.
Look, if you keep doing these warm-ups, your voice will improve. And as they hear your voice improving, they're gonna go from, I don't want to hear it, to
maybe I should join her.
Click here for the video I made with 100% quiet warm-ups. If you're new to singing, you want to improve your voice fast, click this playlist. Come on, join me in my Facebook group. The link is down below. I will see you in the next song. La la la.